Welcome back to the ProCaaSo trial site series. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add a new component to your system definition and conceptualize how data flows within the ProCaaSo framework. Here's the traditional 3.0 automation software stack. Notice the linear connections? Each service can only communicate with its adjacent services. In this setup, tags are duplicated across services to identify data points, which can lead to data silos, inefficiencies, and errors. ProCaaSo's vision reimagines this framework, transitioning to a simplified cloud-native solution. For automation engineers, this shift means focusing on what matters most: coding, debugging, and testing control logic. In ProCaaSo, attributes act like tags but are set up once in the system definition. Data types like integers, floats, strings, or booleans are defined here and made universally accessible through the event bus. This eliminates the need to duplicate tag definitions across services. Let's dive into a hands-on example where we'll be adding a component to the system definition. One thing to note, any changes made to a project will reflect every system attached to that project. To avoid altering the demo training system, let's open a new project. Let's navigate to the Projects tab and select the Trial Site Follow Along project. Here, you'll notice something familiar: the system configuration template. This is the same foundational code we've encountered with the training demo project. It's a fixed blueprint that complements the system definition. While the system definition is flexible, evolving with your project's progression, the system template establishes the essential parameters of your system. Now, let's jump into action and select Edit to modify both the system definition and HMI representation of this project. For this demo, we'll introduce a new component, a temperature and humidity sensor. Simply click Add Visual Element, then choose the temperature and humidity sensor from the list. With a click on Add Element, the sensor integrates seamlessly into our system definition in the precise YAML format and simultaneously makes its appearance in the HMI. In the HMI editor, feel free to drag and place the sensor wherever it best suits your layout. Once satisfied with the placement, remember to save your changes. And just like that, you've successfully added a new component to the system definition. Let's transition now to how data flows within ProCaaSo. The event bus serves as the backbone of our architecture, ensuring that data is shared in real time and that any updates to attributes are propagated instantly across the platform. This approach guarantees that attributes are consistently managed and referenced, whether in the ProCaaSo Anywhere UI, App and I/O tasks, or in database interactions. These services operate on an API-based implementation, which allows for seamless real-time access to and from every part of the ProCaaSo ecosystem. For those new to APIs, I recommend watching the videos in the additional resources section for a more in-depth understanding. Excellent. Now we have also fully covered how data is transferred within ProCaaSo. Thank you for following along. Join us for the next tutorial where we'll provide an overview of the development environment, giving you insights to leverage the ProCaaSo platform for your automation needs. See you next time.